Hello guys, good evening. It's Lewis from Opie Window Cleaning.
Where you going?
It's my little daughter, Zoe. Say hello. Yeah, so this hasn't been cleaned since the building was built. So it's taken a little bit longer than usual. I didn't think it was going to take as long. But yeah, it ended up being a 2-day project. So there we go anyway. There's some pictures of before. Got the afters.
I'm here.
Yeah, that side please, darling. It's the main road. On there please, it's the main road here. Over there. Sorry about that guys. Yeah, we all remember rightly, this was fucking rank. Offhand. If you remember, all the weeds and shit that are on here, all gone. I've got a price for the rest and all around the back of the building yet. Yeah. It's come out all nice and shiny like. Oh, a couple of these. Yes. God, should I say 2 days? Yeah, just short of 2 days work. So yeah. There we have it. You should have seen it before. You couldn't even see the colour of the tiles. Right then guys. And the stairs. Come up nice and shiny like. Yeah. There we have it. Obviously all the mess that's here and the other things hosed down, washed away, and yeah, cleaned up as much as I could. Some of that was there before, it's not all mine. Cleaned up my mess. Alright then guys, and that's it. Have a good evening, see you on the next one.